Welcome to Molly's Bits channel. This is a quick unboxing of the Google Nest Hub. It's a tech review, so let's just get the things moving. I've already had to break the seal because I forgot to put the record button on, so yeah, the box was a little bit tight. So this unit, basically, I've got the charcoal version because it comes in different colors as well. And this is the 7-inch version. So this is the mic switch, and this is the power source. Has some decent weight to it. Okay, so let's get the cardboard out of the box and have a look at the documentation. So we've got the Let's Get Started guide and the safety and warranty. Okay, so now you've got the 3-pin UK plug. So yeah, just a little bit tricky to get out of the box. Okay, so just hang on. So let's just get this out. Yeah, that's it. Nothing normal, just a normal standard 3-pin plug. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box, and that's it. So thank you for watching Molly's Bits channel. Hope I see you on the next video. So take care. And please like and subscribe. Later.